13. Now you shall build as the birds do, and shall get your scanty food by boring and boring and boring all day in the hard, dry wood. So, in this stanza, the poetess want to say that when the saint was not able to get anything, he got angry on that little woman. He pronounced a curse upon her. He gave her a curse. He said that she would no longer enjoy a human life and its comforts of food, shelter, and warmth. So instead, she would become a bird, woodpecker, who would have to build her own nest and would have to keep digging holes in the hard and dry trunks of trees for a food. Clear? So this he just gave a curse to that lady that she would become a woodpecker now, who would be just digging the holes of the hard trunks to get the food. So the difficult words over here are scanty, that means very little; boring, make a hole in something with a tool or by digging. Stanza 14. Then up she went through the chimney, never speaking a word, and out of the top flew a woodpecker, for she was changed to a bird. After Saint Peter pronounced a curse, the little woman she went through the chimney without getting a chance to say even a word. So she was being cursed by that saint. She flew out of the top of the chimney and having been turned into a woodpecker. Immediately this little woman she turned to a woodpecker. The saint had driven her of her human form as she lacked the human values of kindness and charity. So she was not showing these values of kindness and charity, due to which she was cursed, and now she turned to a woodpecker. Stanza 15. She had a scarlet cap on her head, and that was left the same, but all the rest of her clothes were burnt, black as coal in the flame. Scarlet is a brilliant red color, so you can see the scarlet at the top of the woodpecker. So in the stanza, when the little lady went up the chimney, she was wearing a red colored cap on her head. This cap remained on the woodpecker's head. However, all her other clothes, they were worn out by the woman. They got burnt as black as coal due to the flame inside the chimney. Thus, the body of the word became black. Clear? So her clothes were they were burnt and her body became black. Next stanza. Stanza 16. And every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood, where she lives in the trees till this very day, boring and boring for food. So, according to the legend, the woodpecker, which every young school going boy can see in the forest, is in fact the little woman who turned bird. Till this day, she lives here in trees, and as per the curse by Saint Peter, she has to bore the tree trunks laboriously all day to get her food. So this is all about the poem. So because of her values which she was lacking kindness, due to which she was being cursed and she was leading the life of a bird now. Clear? So what is the message conveyed through this poem? The poem conveys a message that as human beings we should have the positive qualities like affection, love, fellow feeling, sympathy, and a sense of sharing. So the poet also wants to bring the idea that people with negative and inhuman values, what are the inhuman values? Like selfishness, greed. So the people, those who are lacking these values, what happened to those? They are ultimately punished. So the blessing of the human life with food, shelter, and warmth have to be earned through a good moral conduct. So we all must possess positive qualities. We all must be blessed with a good life. We must be helping others, taking care of others. Otherwise, we will be given the reward. What would be the reward? It would be punishment. If we will be greedy, we will be showing cruelty. Clear? So you all must imbibe in yourself all the positive values. Help your parents, take care of them, respect them, show love and affection towards every member, towards the society. Thank you. I hope you are able to understand the point.